Today, I'm going to show you how to set up campaign defaults in Mailchimp so every campaign you create starts with the right sender details already in place. This is a simple but very useful setup because it saves time, keeps your email branding consistent, and helps make sure you're not fixing the same settings over and over again for every new campaign. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're logged into your account, head to the Audience section. This is where Mailchimp stores the settings connected to your audience and email preferences, so it's the right place to update your campaign defaults. After you click Audience, look for the three dots or the More Options menu. Click that menu to open additional audience tools and settings. From there, click on Audience Settings. This is where Mailchimp keeps the configuration options that control how your audience and email setup behaves. Once you're inside Audience Settings, go to the Email Settings area. This section is especially important because it contains the default sender information that appears in your campaigns. Now you'll see options for the default from email address and the default from name. The default from email address is the email address your campaigns will send from by default. This should usually be an address you control and monitor regularly. So if subscribers reply, you can respond quickly. The default from name is the name your audience will see in their inbox. And this can be your brand name, your personal name, or a combination that matches how you want people to recognize your emails. Take a moment to enter the information carefully. Make sure the from name is clear and familiar because this can affect open rates and trust. Also, make sure the from email address is correct and properly connected to your Mailchimp account. If your business has a branded email, this is a good place to use it so your campaigns look more professional. Once you've updated those fields, review everything one more time. Double-check the spelling, the email address, and the name format before saving. Getting these defaults right now will save you time later because every new campaign you create will already use these settings unless you choose to change them manually. And that's it. Your campaign defaults in Mailchimp are now set up. From here on, you'll have a smoother workflow every time you build and send a campaign. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Mailchimp guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.